Hi everybody. I'm going to make stuffed banana peppers with mozzarella cheese and chorizo. If I can get this open. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wow. Alrighty then. Oh, Lord. Holy moly. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna spend the whole video trying to get this out of here. Wow. Sealed very nicely. Okay, come on. All right, so I'm gonna freeze the rest of this. So let me get this in there. Now I have done this in a food processor and let it all mix, but today I'm just gonna use my hands. Smells good. All right. All right. I am gonna just use my hands. And I don't add any other seasoning to this at all. It smells so good. Whenever I make these, sometimes I don't get any because they're that delicious, and they're so simple. That's what kills me. This stuff is so simple to do. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. Gotta get a cutting board. I have to clean the seeds out of my peppers. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean these out. It lays flat there. I try to leave the stems. The gallons, I think, are back in there. Or, you know what? You want to just put it in a bread bag? Russ is going to freeze the rest of the chorizo for me. to put them in a greased pan so they come out nice. We're going to eat these later in the week, so I'll bring you back when we actually eat them, cook them, and eat them. I'll start with the big ones first. So Maggie, it's enough. Okay, so what I decided to do, I'm just going to use 2 pie plates. And the reason I chose pie plates is because being circular, I can lean these against it, right? Maybe not. I'm not doing too good today on this. Let's turn this. Let's bend this. Oh, this one's bigger. All right. This one's bigger. I can make 2 pie plates. Wonder if I can do it in one. You think? Nope. All right. So we'll do 2. So when we have these for dinner one night, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I'm just going to put saran wrap on them for now because you bake them uncovered. Now you can bake them or you can grill them. Doesn't matter. If you grill them, you really got to watch them because obviously you don't want the stuff to overflow and go into the grill. Okay. This, I guess, is my preferred method. It's easier. Okay. So I'll bring you back then when I make these. Okay. So they're in the oven. They've been in there probably 10 minutes so far. I always put them in there about 30. And then I'll let you see what they look like. All right. So there they are. And then when you cut into them, it just oozes out. They are so good. I have these with milk though, because sometimes they're a little hot. All right, thanks for watching. These are delicious. I can't wait. See you in the next video. Bye.